Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. What you see here is a fence that has the posts that have rotted out and then it's fallen over. So with this post here, and then you see the two pins, what these people did was they scabbed this piece of wood to it without actually tearing out the post and replacing it with a new one. So you can see this post here is also rotted out. I think a neighbor a couple doors down has done the exact same thing, but this is what happens when you try to band-aid fix something instead of just ripping it out and redoing it. So besides the fence needing to be replaced, so at least these two posts, you can see the asphalt up there in the back that has now been damaged, and this is what happens when you don't properly fix anything. This happened a few years ago because another neighbor did the exact same thing, but when you leave things for too long, you're just costing yourself more money down the road. So looking down the line of posts, the third one up the hill is also rotted out because it's leaning. But once your posts start to do this type of thing here, then they're probably rotted out or the concrete is broken. But this was, you know, a simple repair. Pull out the post, put in a new one, you would have salvaged your panels. Now that this thing is broken, you just cost yourself a lot more money than necessary. Guys, when you're proactive about your maintenance, you don't run into issues like this. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.